Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So it has been a long time that we haven't connected with the internship opportunities or with the fellowships around the world at India. So now it's the time to follow up and to see whatever the internships and opportunities has been available for you for the year 2025. So hello, this is your teammate Shagun Sharma, and we are inviting you to obtain fellowship through our channel All Around Lab, and we are engaging you all, especially the students from Northeast area, the members of All Around Lab who are willing to take fellowship on the behalf of Department of Health and Research Education, that is related to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So you are watching our channel, and through our channel we are motivating you guys, and we are encouraging you for all the internships available to you in the year 2025. So this is the internship which is uh, provided by the government Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And as all of you are watching the screen, so here the Department of Health and Research is giving the fellowship for 2025. The last date is 15 September, and you have to fill, and it is only available to the students who are doing any kind of academic degree or research or internship and belongs to the Northeast state. So this internship is only to the students having the opportunity from Northeast state or any of the location which is given in the fellowship. So please watch the video, and until we have the video or the until the last minute of the video, you should have the opportunity, or you should have the longevity of your research work till you watch the video. So here, if you can see the Department of Health and Research, this is the website, this is the official website, and they have been announced research proposals for fellowships or grants for North Eastern region, that is FY 2025 and 2026, and we have opened it for yourself. So this is the flyer that has been obtained from the website. So this is clearly a statement for all the Northeastern region students who are belonging to the Northeastern region, or the seven sister of the India. So this is for the year 2025 and 2026. HRD, this is a human resource development scheme which aims to provide an advantage or the training to India for medical and health research personnel in the cutting edge of research. So this is only for the medicine and health related. So the states are mentioned, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura, the seven sisters of India. And the scheme is offered to women scientist fellowships, the support to the institutes or the professionals or the bodies, the research support program, the startup grants in the view of biomedical and health related research work, the short term fellowship for Indian institutes, and also the long term fellowship for the Indian institute. So you have to directly apply onto the link which is provided here, that is schemes.dhr.gov.in. So on that website, all the information related to the application and related to what are the criteria you have to fulfill in the provided scheme for the year 2025 and 2026. So you have to fulfill that criteria, and the application portal is open till 15th September 2025. So this is a major opportunity for you all guys to have a look on this scheme, on this fellowship, and to obtain the fellowship, what are the details we are going to discuss in the video. So keep watching. So this video is information about these kind of workshops and funding grants which are associated with the relevant department and relevant fellowship for this year 2025. So this was the flyer which I have opened it for you. I have downloaded for it to you. So the fellowship will be closing on 15th September 2025. So these are the details, application, and all the projects proposals have to be submitted on this website. So this is schemes.dhr.gov.in. So first you have to register on the login. That is, it is the right hand side which I am marking you. So this is DHR EPMS login. So once you will click on the sub button, so here you just first had to register on the HRD portal. So for register, you just have to click, you have to type your full name. So if I will type my full name, then email address, and then mobile number, and then password, whichever is suggested to you, you just have to register and fulfill the criteria that include your academic details like your 10th certificate, your 12th board exams, and then your transcripts for bachelor's and master's. And if you're applying to women scientist scheme, so your PhD degree is have to be provided to the department or to the portal, and then the proposal which we have well explained in our previous video. So in that video you can go through the videos, we will provide the link, and for further details you may contact us for all the related or relevant information, and how to submit your fellowship application, and how to write a proposal. So all the information has been provided to you via our channel All Around Lab, and from that you can obtain various kind of opportunities for you, whether you are belonging to northeast, or you are belonging to north region or south region, whatever region of India you are there. So by our channel we have encouraged you, and we have supported you a lot from all the internships and application around the world, as well as from all over the India. So for that, this information and this internship scheme or the fellowship scheme only for the students who are from Northeastern region of India. So the states have been mentioned clearly before filling up the application form. You just have to register on this portal. The link will be provided us by the video whenever we have uploaded the video. So the link is in the description box, or the link is not in the description box, you can directly contact us or message us or comment us for the detailed or the briefing of the application. So here in the application supports from the Department of Health and Human Welfare, and all the schemes have been mentioned on the schemes.dhr.gov. So you can just go through the website, register, and then log in and fill up the details, whatever it is required for you to fulfill the criteria for the application. And the rest, if you haven't submitted any proposal before, or you are not in a situation to write up the proposal, so keep updating us, keep commenting us for all the information that you want to try in the fellowship, and you want to avail the fellowship for the year 2025 and 2026. So thank you very much. So here is the portal, and this is the flyer which have been provided by the website, the Government of Resource Development HRD, and the scheme is for 2025-2026. The last date is 15 September. So keep watching, and thank you for watching the video, and stay uh, tuned for the next videos of internships and fellowship programs this year and maybe in the next year. So thank you.